I'm making a video.
Elizabeth, no, bad.
Hi.
These are Aileen's feet.
You have to vlog. You can't just videotape her feet. Stop it. It's so gross. Oh my god. I'm gonna throw up.
All she's doing is showing me that she's wearing my shirt, which I...
Oh, no, sorry. I'm moving it down because Allie's making a video.
Rude.
It's a weird color.
That was terrifying. Home and
I'm trying the white dance.
the white dance.
Yeah.
I have to get John something for his apartment.
You do?
Yes.
It's right there.
I know he is. That's why we can't say it out loud.
John, do you want wall decor? Maybe a hello wall decal. That's cute. It's on the door.
It is on the door.
We should get a bye.
Bye.
Bye. We didn't
On the
want to see
inside.
you.
How about a desk? Oh, wait.
You need to have longer hair. Here we go. No!
You can barely breathe.
Good.
I don't know whose hand that is.
That's Amy's. And you are a father.
Allie's a father.
You're my son, Aileen.
Oh.
What am I? I'd be the mom.
You're the stepmom.
Who's the actual mom?
We don't know.
How would you not? It came out of her.
She just didn't want people to know. Oh my god.
What? That's cool. And terrifying.
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
It's a clock, but it says all the numbers, but then it does like a spiral, like the hypnotic ones, and the numbers just keep going and going and going. But they're all in the right spots.
It's terrifying.
Oh, I smacked my wall. Ooh.
That was also terrifying. For me.
They're all bad things. I don't enjoy this.
Hey.
Oh, that's a little self-absorbed.
Alright, that's my video.